This is an era of intelligent manufacturing. 3D printing technology is raising a wave of digitizing manufacturing, changing and building the future of manufacturing. As a practitioner of the strategy Made in China 2025, since the day we were born, with the wisdom leading in the era of intelligent manufacturing, we have been focusing on the development and application of metal 3D printing equipment. From the initiation into the field of metal 3D printing to successful development of cell phone brand metal 3D printer, and then the cumulative sales are far ahead in domestic market. Our digital manufacturing solutions redefine the way of manufacturing and help transform and upgrade China's manufacturing industry into a digital intelligent manufacturing sector. The excellent engineering technology is our tireless pursuit. A bunch of inspiration sparks from 10 years ago has grown into today's all-round metal 3D printing solution. However, we're not satisfied with this. We inside the 3D printing market based on customer demand, continuously improve and upgrade the metal 3D printing technology, update and iterate the metal 3D printing equipment, software, control system, and process parameter library. We're constantly making breakthroughs and innovations to solve the quantum manufacturing problems. Our solutions help customers change the way they design and manufacture, allowing designers, engineers, and manufacturers to unleash their imaginations and potential. From changing the production mode of denture machining to achieve digital precision customization for orthopedics products. From breaking technical shackles of mold industry to achieve lightweight and integrated aerospace parts manufacturing. From promoting the upgrading of traditional manufacturing processes to promote the vigorous development of emerging industries. We are constantly turning our customers' vision of the future into a tangible present. We bring the leading metal 3D printing technology and bring confidence and strength to change the future. We are HBD, expert on metal 3D printing.